I'm here to test the strength of these hydrangeas. Let's see if they're up to my tests, okay? First up, let's see how strong the flowers are. Look, you can punch them, entirely weatherproof, going through all seasons as well. Grow those in my garden. We're also going to do the shake test. Pretty strong. And we'll test them for wind as well. Not too bad. But most importantly, how are they going to cope with a typical English summer? Pretty good. So there we have it, the proof that Living Creations hydrangeas are some of the strongest in the marketplace. Tough, strong, weatherproof, blooming for 100 days as well. What more could you want? They are amazing. Ah!